So you know we doing it out here, man. This is the real cinnamon. This ain't the Pamela Anderson, you know, cinnamon titties, you know, this ain't Botox. This is the real, straight from the Nigerian apple tree. You heard me, Stephen Joe, okay, Mr. Kaka. I'ma beat the cinnamon challenge, you heard me?
So the rule is for you to take it straight.
Basically just try to swallow it.
Just try to swallow it, can't spit it out. Once you spit it out, you lose.
Alright, Stephen Joe, we gonna do this right here, homie. Shout out to my mama for not knowing how to cook. You better go to fucking cooking school.
Oh man, here it comes.
Cinnamon, nigga. Hey, shout out to my girl.
Don't put it in the safe.
It burns.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my! Wait, hold on! Oh shit!
Hold on, bro, hold on.
Look at the camera real quick. Look at Are those tears? Are those tears?
Yo, bro, I thought I was gonna die, dog.
Alright.
It's like, dog, I don't like, dog, that was in my throat. This is, dog. Dog.
Notice this.
He fucked up. He put it right in his throat. He put it right in his dumbass throat. Now
You got a winner?
the fuck?
Oh shit! Yeah, nah, he wants to.
Nah, he not eating it. You gotta eat this shit, dog.
You gotta swallow it, man. I tap to. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Oh shit! Not bad. Swallow it, nigga.
Swallow. Swallow. Oh, swallow.
Good.
Oh.